Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing y'all how I made some fried pickles in the air fryer. Now, there will be some healthier modifications in it. If you're egg-free or if you're dairy-free, I'll show you what I used in place of those other ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started. How to get by. Hey. Alright, and here are some of the ingredients that you'll need. Obviously, pickles. I'm using nutritional yeast in place of cheese, but you can use Parmesan cheese. I got Hidden Valley ranch dip to put in some Greek yogurt later. Garlic, black pepper, onion powder. I have my buffalo ranch seasoning. I'm using almond flour, but you're more than welcome to use normal flour. Olive oil, almond milk. So I'm going to show y'all how I use that in place of eggs. Salt. Now, of course, you can use whatever seasonings you like. These are just my preferred seasonings. Hey. So you'll mix up all your seasonings. I used a cup of almond flour. Now, if you're using normal flour, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So 1 cup of almond flour for me would be 1 cup of flour for you. Now, to my peeps who can't have eggs or vegetarian, vegan, I'm using unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk is also Whole30 approved. Grab some pickles on a plate, and then I'll go ahead and press this bad boy down. Now, I'm also going to show y'all how to do it in the oven too for all of my friends who don't have an air fryer. Okay, and I'll show you. So now, I'll do the egg one for you. So, you will want to do 400 at 12 minutes. Alright, for my friends who do not have an air fryer, go ahead and preheat your oven at 400. Alrighty, y'all. Let's go ahead and pop that in the oven. Ranch. Also, they're done. Okay, y'all. So 400 for 20 minutes in the oven. Okay, friends, and there you have it. Some super easy fried pickles in the air fryer. Super delicious and pretty healthy, I would say. And especially if you have the ranch dip. So tell me, friends, are you guys going to give this a try anytime soon? Also, I want to wish everyone a very happy new year, and I'm hoping that everyone manifests everything that they desire this year. Until next time.